Hi, we're a little nerdy and overexcited, so we're filming this momentous moment. Ooh, it's prettier than I thought.
It rains, and it's from heaven. Shooby-dooby. Don't you know each cloud contains pennies from heaven? Shooby-dooby. You'll find your fortune falling all over town.
Alrighty, here we want to show off one of the coolest new features with our brand new Xerox copy machine. We want to show how to make a digital scan and email it to your email account. I have Mrs. Williams helping, and she's going to do a scan of a 3-page packet. It's actually the script from our most recent TNN episode. So, Mrs. Williams, if you could put those 3 pages face up on the Xerox machine, you'll notice that most of the time we'll be doing copying. You'll see the copy light is lit up in green. For this, we want to do image send. Can you push image send for us? And it will switch it to that. Then we're going to have Mrs. Williams, let's see if we can get it focused over here now, find her email address, and every teacher has had theirs programmed in by Mr. Pope. She goes to address book. She's choosing W because that's where her last name is. Hold on, it's gotten out of focus again. And you can see Mrs. Williams' name right there. Touch your name. Now when she hits the go button or the copy button right over here, it's going to pull those papers just like it's doing a Xerox. But instead of having any papers come out, it's actually emailing it to her email account. Luckily, we have an iPad here to check her email. You'll get one that says scanner, and on there you'll get a document, a PDF document of what you just copied. Go ahead and touch that. It should open up. Turn it for us so we can see a little bit better. There you see the digital copy of the 3 pages that Mrs. Williams just scanned. You could email that to a parent, or better yet, you could even upload it to a class webpage and just let parents who need to get a second copy of that document off of your webpage with no extra work to you. That's one of the cool new features of our new Xerox machine, how to do a digital scan and email it to yourself. Thank you, Mrs. Williams. Lovely sweater.
Sunshine and ravioli, macaroni, if you want the
And a little addition to our previous tutorial, because we've now learned something else that goes along with it that's very useful. Sometimes you're going to have a 2-sided copy that you want to get both sides scanned. There is a feature on here that will let you do that in one easy step. So we're going to have Mrs. Williams again show us where she's going. You saw the first thing she did was switch from copy to image send. Okay, so image send is selected. Then over here, she's going to actually go over to the job detail settings right there. She's then going to select the square, the rectangle, better to say, that says Auto Original. Over here on the left, when she's in this menu, you can see 2-sided booklet is the one you'll usually want to use. 2-sided booklet, it's been selected. Then she can push OK and go to her address book, just as was shown before. Choose W for Williams. Then she just needs to push the scan button. It pulls the piece of paper. No photocopies come out because, of course, it is scanning and emailing it to her instead. With her really slick iPad, she waits a very exciting moment and sees that, sure enough, it just came through. And as an attachment, it has both sides of the document that she wanted to do.